How to set up My Hume Band Complete beginner setup guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Hume Band from start to finish, including charging, installing the Hume app, Bluetooth pairing, wearing the band correctly, syncing your data, and fixing common connection problems. First, fully charge your Hume Band before using it for the first time. Place the band on its charging dock and connect the USB Type-C cable to a power source. Depending on the Hume Band generation you own, charging time and battery specifications can vary, so follow the instructions supplied with your particular model. Once your band is charged, download the Hume app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create your Hume account. If you already use another Hume product, simply sign in with your existing account. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and keep the Hume Band close to your phone. Now here's an important step. Don't manually pair the Hume Band from your phone's regular Bluetooth settings. Hume specifically instructs users to complete pairing from inside the Hume app. If you're a new user, open the Hume app and follow the automatic setup wizard. The app will guide you through detecting and connecting your band. If you're an existing Hume user, open the app, go to the Me section, select Add New Device, and choose your Hume Band from the list of detected devices. Follow the instructions on screen until pairing is complete. After setup, wear the band securely and comfortably so its sensors maintain consistent contact with your skin. The Hume Band can track information including continuous heart rate variability, blood oxygen, respiratory rate, sleep stages, activity, recovery, and skin temperature, depending on your device and available app features. Once connected, your health and activity information should automatically synchronize with the Hume app. The free version of the app provides core device syncing and tracking, while some advanced analytics and coaching features may require Hume's optional premium membership. If your band isn't connecting, first confirm that Bluetooth is enabled and that the Hume app has Bluetooth permission. Make sure the band has sufficient battery, completely close and reopen the Hume app, and then try connecting again. You can also short press the home button on supported models to check the battery indicator. On Hume's documented model, red indicates 0 to 24%, blue indicates 25 to 49%, and green indicates 50 to 100%. Here's a pro tip. After pairing, keep the Hume app updated and allow any available band firmware updates to complete. Regular synchronization also helps ensure your latest measurements are available in the app. And remember, Hume states that the band is intended to provide health and wellness insights and is not a medical device for diagnosing or monitoring medical conditions. And that's how to set up your Hume Band. Charge it, install the Hume app, enable Bluetooth, pair the band from inside the app, wear it consistently, and allow your data to synchronize. If you found this beginner setup guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Hume Band tutorial you want me to cover next.